Hi everyone, this is my free Canva account. I just logged into that one, and as you have done before, so with Canva you can create digital contents for your social media business post. So you do have all the options. So for example, if I would like to choose from the top what you would like to design, it will show you different options. If I want to do for social media, I will choose that category. And also on the top it's showing you different tabs. So one's for popular one, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So if you do have already a Facebook business page, you can tap on that tab and then it will show you all the different layouts. So this is for Facebook cover, this is for Facebook post, Facebook ad, Facebook event. So you can choose any of them. So these are all the different templates that you can choose. So for example, for Christmas is coming and you'd like to do a Facebook post landscape. So the new year. So this is a free one, and you can use this template to customize your design. So all this small highlighted area, so these are all you'll be able to change. So when you click on here, it will show you the outline. So you can remove and you can type, you can add new picture in this one. So all these are editable, each of them. So for example, if you want to change any element from here, you can click on that and you can delete that one, and you can go to the elements tab on the left hand side and look for some Christmas one. You can click on that, you can drag. So just have to click on it and you can bring it over and you can drag. If you want to change the text color, if you want to do any formatting, that's the tool for changing text color. And if you want to change the text size, you can also increase. You can change italic, bold. If you want to change the font, that's here. So you do have lots of options to customize your own post. Just scroll down. So these are all the different fonts that. So the one is showing crown next to that one. That's mean that is a paid font, but we can use the free one. There's plenty of options for that. And if you want to apply bold, you can click on the B for bold here. And you can undo. So you can explore all these tools. So you can add text. You can upload your own image and include here. You can add any elements from here. And after you have done with your image editing, And if you'd like to download, so there is a share button on the top. When you click on that, it will show you the options that you want to do. So there is a download link. So for example, I want to download this link, and if you want to change that to anyone with the link, so you can create a link and you can copy the link if you want to share as a link. But if you want to download the image, that's the download part. You have to click on here, and these are all the download option here. So for example, you can download this one, JPEG, JPEG high quality. So the first one, which one, just quickly look here which one we can download. You can also, as a PDF, you can print as a PDF, and click on here download. It's downloading, and once you download, you can open that one, and you can see you can share this one with anyone. So that's your download file. You can email it, you can, and if you want to look in your Canva, so where it says project, it will show you the project that you have completed recently. So I think it will be great for you all to spend some time and go to the social media tab, create some digital content for your Instagram or Facebook page, and share with the group. If you'd like to share with me, please feel free to send me the link. I would like to have a look. Thanks everyone. Happy learning. Good luck with your small businesses. Wish you all the best. Thank you.